This video will explain what traditional fibre optic cables are and how they work. In its basic form, a traditional fibre optic is a tiny strand of doped glass as thin as a human hair, which can carry huge amounts of data very quickly over a long distance in the form of light. At the very centre of a fibre optic, there is a glass core which you might think of as being a pipe down which the light travels. Around that pipe is another layer of glass slightly different in construction to the core, called the cladding. This layer of glass, only 125 microns in diameter, stops the light from escaping from the core. In other words, it reflects the light back into the core rather like a mirror. For more information, why not Google Snell's law for a full explanation of this fascinating phenomenon. Around the cladding, there is a polymer coating called acrylate, which protects the fibre from mechanical and chemical damage, as well as dust and moisture. This layer is 250 microns in diameter. Finally, there is a further coating around the acrylate which gives the fibre extra strength. This is called the buffer jacket, and it is 900 microns in diameter. Both the acrylate and the buffer coatings are removed prior to termination. Each of these fibre strands are arranged in bundles to form optical cables. These bundles can vary from a single strand to hundreds or even thousands of strands within the same outer jacket. Now we've explored what a traditional fibre optic cable is, it's important to know that there are two types of fibre optic: single mode and multi-mode. The type of fibre you use will be determined by the application and the equipment you are plugging it into. Single mode fibre has a very small core of only 9 microns in diameter for the transmission of a single ray or mode of light from a laser source. Single mode fibre is generally used for carrying data over long distances greater than 1300 feet or around 400 meters. Multi-mode fibre has a much larger core of 50 microns for the transmission of multiple light rays or modes of light, generally from a laser light source. Multi-mode fibre is generally used for carrying data over shorter distances of less than 1300 feet. For more information on this exciting technology or to learn how we can support you with it, visit cleerlinefibre.com.